As part of your theory test, you need to do a case study. This is where you'll watch a short 20-second video, then answer 3 questions about what you've seen in the video. You can watch the video as many times as you need to. Let's go over a case study example now. Watch this video, then we'll go over 3 questions. What must you do at a mini roundabout? Do you give way to the left and go over the central markings? Give way to the right and go over the central markings. Give way to the right and go around the central markings. Give way to the left and go around the central markings. Now you do know the answer, so just make sure that you read it correctly. You're at this mini roundabout. Do we give way to the left or the right? Do we go over or around the markings? That's the 2 things you need to understand. So we give way to the right, don't we? So that means B or C are the correct answers. Do we go over the markings or around the markings? You can make these questions much easier if you get rid of rubbish answers. We give way to the right and go around the central markings. Now, I saw a video of a young man driving the other day, and he went straight over the middle of a mini roundabout. I just want to remind you that the theory is real driving. So when you get to a mini roundabout, you've got to think about this theory of driving and how it relates, and don't just do things like going straight over. It's dangerous. It can be dangerous. Which lights should you use in a multi-storey car park? Should you use dipped headlights, parking lights, fog lights, or no lights are needed? It is lit, got lighting in a multi-storey car park, but you need to have lights on. Look, today, these cars have got lights on. It's not very, very dark, but they've got their lights on so people can see them. Or look at this car coming out, amazing, with their dipped headlights on. Dipped headlights are your normal car lights. So, and although there is lighting, look at these cars coming out. They must have lights on so that other vehicles can see them clearly. So you must have your dipped headlights on. One more question about this video. When are you allowed to stop in a busy town or city on double yellow lines? Is the answer only at night time? To drop someone off or pick someone up? You are never allowed to stop on yellow lines, or at the times displayed on the sign in a busy town or city. Well, in a busy town or city is not relevant. It's the same rules whether you're in a quieter place or in a busy place. It's the same rules whether you're in a city, a town, a village, whatever. So just be careful of questions like that. So when are you allowed to stop? To drop somebody off or pick somebody up? On double yellow lines, you can stop, drop and drive. You're just not allowed to park. You're not allowed to stay there, leave your car there. Enroll now at testbuddy.app to pass your test with flying colours. It has over 100 video tutorials, worksheets, and all the licensed DVSA practice questions.